welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany and I'm back in another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'll be going out tonight. So at the moment I don't know where I'm going out, but in the title you guys will know. So I thought I'd just vlog it because I barely go out, but I've been trying to like, oh, this is a shake. I try to go out a lot lately. So yeah. So I believe, yeah, I don't know where we're going. Me and my sister are going out on a date with each other today. We haven't like went out with each other in a very long time. So yes guys, we did the whole leather fit for tonight's date with the boots. Hold on, I can't see the boots. Yes, the boots. Yes. So yes guys, that's what's going on for today. It's around 8:30 right now and we still haven't decided where we're going, but we think we'll go. We'll probably just go to a restaurant. Honestly, we're deciding between this is us. Anytime we're to go somewhere we never decide. Never. Ooh. So we're going to probably a restaurant or the movies, we're not sure yet. But we're going somewhere. And we're just gonna hike, I think restaurant, because we're gonna like sit, have a chit chat, talk, catch up with each other. Because best believe we're around each other almost every day, but when last we sit and talk? Never. Exactly. It's been a while. Back in the days I used to go out with her pretty often, but you know, we've just been super busy lately. So gotta have a sister's night out. She's so cute, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, so me ready. Let me show you the outfit. So here's the fit. And I got my brown purse to go with it. So guys, I'll try to like vlog as much as I can, get you guys in on everything, you know, and I'll see you guys when we decide, I guess. Yeah guys, we are here at Boston Pizza in Stonebridge, Saskatoon. So I've never been to this location one. I've always been to Blairmore or 8th Street and a couple other that are out of town, but never been to Stonebridge one. So yeah, my sister is currently putting on her shoes because she couldn't drive in heels, but that's that. Okay guys, we are in here. I'm coming first. Sister there. She's so fake, y'all. Y'all saw how quick she wiped the smile off her face when she thought the camera went. Faker. Whatever. So here's the menu, guys. Let me tell you what I am getting. So half of the things here, if I'm being honest with you, I'm not supposed to be eating it. So yeah, and I think this is what they have for some drinks. The other drinks are over here. Okay. Guys, what are you getting? Hello guys, like I was saying, I don't know if you guys can hear me either because in here is really quiet, so I don't want to be talking too loud. But half of the things here on the menu I can't have, so I got to take like simple stuff, like, you know. So I'm guessing for appies, for appetizer, I might go with soup. I just might go with soup. If it's like chicken soup, I'll definitely take it because I've tried the chicken soup before. It was really good, like really good. And I'll also If not, then I'm guessing a bandera bread. So that's what I'll be going with. If it's chicken soup, and that's that. If not, what are you getting for appetizer? Calamari. This girl just loves weird ass shit. Calamari is really good, but it's still weird though.
It's not weird.
It is. Like, who in their mind just got up and then went, you know what? Let me eat this.
Me.
It's crazy.
I would eat it every day. It's good.
Guys, let me tell you, for my birthday, we went to State and Main, right? And the calamari, it was okay. It was mostly bread, like literally just flour, like, you know, stuff like that.
Can I get you both something to drink?
Start with water, I'm guessing.
Water? Yeah.
Yeah.
Couple of waters. Do you know what you want for food, or do you want to move with minutes or so?
For a starter, can I have calamari?
What kind of soup do you have?
Tomato ravioli.
Tomato soup. Sorry?
Beef barley.
Beef barley? No. I'll go with the bandera bread.
Okay.
You're underrated.
Huh? Yeah, sure.
Got everything for you?
Should we order the main now?
You can order the mains
Okay.
now, yeah.
What do you want? What are you getting?
Can I have a hot honey wings
For sure.
with sweet potato fries?
Yeah, fries, yeah, for sure. For yourself?
I'll have hot wings with regular fries.
Perfect.
And can I have them oven roasted?
Yeah,
Sorry?
oven
Oven.
roasted
Yeah.
for both.
And yeah, waters for yourself? Perfect. I'll steal the next one.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, there you go. That's okay. Yeah, guys, so I took hot wings with regular fries. She took hot honey wings with sweet potato fries. This girl just loves sweet potato fries. So, but I'm excited for the food. Me love food. So, you know, I should have ordered a drink. Now that I remember, look at it. Probably should have ordered a drink. What are you getting?
I don't know.
I think I'm getting a cocktail. Ooh, mango margarita. One margarita, two margarita.
I wanted something with slushy, but virgin.
Oh. I want. Oh, like a smash? Is that the smash? Was it?
I don't know.
We could ask him when he gets. We could ask him when he gets back. Here's one. You can get the Twisted Rocket. It has raspberry, frozen citrus slush, and the blue curacao. I don't know what that is. Or the alcohol. You can ask for it virgin. I think I'm gonna get that. The Twisted Rocket.
Can I ask a question?
Thank you.
So, do you have a question?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you do the Twisted Rocket virgin?
I can get you, essentially, like, the only thing that's blue in it is blue curacao. So I could do it with just a raspberry slush, which would have nothing blue in it. But if you want raspberry slush, you can absolutely do it.
Do you have anything else that's like slush that's virgin?
So we basically, it's just a few puree flavors. So we can do lime, peach, strawberry, raspberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, absolutely. Would you like anything for yourself?
I'll have the same thing.
Strawberry as well, absolutely.
Yeah.
Virgin?
Might as well. I don't think I should be drinking, honestly. I'm already having stuff I'm not supposed to be eating. I think the alcohol on top of that is gonna make me sicker than I already more sick. Whatever. The compare. I need to go back to Jamaica. I'm losing my English, guys. Like
My cousin Lucas.
guys, let me tell you, when I was in Jamaica I knew how to speak standard English. My English was now I'm here
She's a baddie.
and my English is messed up. Like sometimes I say things and I'm like, that is just grammatically incorrect. I don't know why, but my English, my grammar has just been totally disturbingly gross. Like
You what?
my grammar, like more like sometimes I say instead of saying ER or EST, I use more. Like this girl, she goes more better. Like who the heck says that?
Me?
And I've heard a lot of people saying it too, and I'm like, who teaches you guys English? Like, where are you learning the English from? I think I need to go back to Jamaica and learn English again because, guys, my grammar has been going up. Her food came, her calamari. This is what it looks like, and we've got drinks. Yes, like y'all saw before, it's virgin, so no drinking for me tonight. I shouldn't be drinking. So, waiting for the bandera bread. What the guy said, they were supposed to come at the same time. I think this is it.
Or told me I grew.
And there you are. I hope you enjoy everything.
Thank you.
Can you switch sauce?
Huh?
Can you switch sauce?
No. So that's the bread right there, guys. So that's it. Boom, boom, boom. So guys, so food over there, so it's finished. Well, half finished. And my sister got the hot honey wings with yam fries. I got hot wings with regular fries. So that's that. So guys, they're gonna redo my order because it is actually sauce and pepper. This we're supposed to get hot wings, so they're gonna make it over. But what is this, celery? May I say, me loving my foods. I love when my food is spicy to the point where my nose run, my mouth is on fire. That's the type of spicy I like. I just love the burn. Yes, guys. So,
Take this?
huh? Yeah. Was that the one that you like?
No.
So why do you want this one? This is better. It's this one.
I'll take it.
Okay. So guys, that's the end. So tonight was a good night. The waiter was really nice, guys. Yeah. So our waiter was like, I think like the people here are actually really nice.
Yeah, because like the girl passed and she
Yeah.
was like, are you guys good?
Yeah.
When
Like,
we go to other ones, they never do that.
I know, like most restaurants that we go to, like if they're not like serving you, they don't really care
I would
much.
recommend this Boston
But
pizza.
yeah, I'd recommend it. It's like, I mean, it's obviously not busy right now because it's like late and it's
Late,
like
and there's
Stonebridge.
Stonebridge is like they're gonna close. soon.
Yeah, so it's not busy right now, but it's like really nice. The food was fun. It was a good experience. Yeah,
I would come back here.
yeah, I would come back here. Probably, yeah. I do everybody, and of course my bill was like cheap. You would like come, like honestly, their whole menu is like really, really super affordable. So if you want to like go somewhere where you can afford stuff and stuff like that, I definitely recommend here. They have a lot of drink options, of course.
What's his name? I didn't get his name.
I don't remember. He's the manager, yeah. So guys, we are going out. Why me look so rough? Look at her. Yeah, look at this girl. She barely wears heels. So when she wears a heel, it's drama for me, guys. I'm like, ooh.
They wear this just for like 5 minutes.
Exactly, guys. Like when we go to church,
I don't put it on. When I go out, I wear it. Because I wear it on my birthday. And I think you wear it on yours.
but guys, you still barely wear heels, yeah, guys. So, oh gosh, what me dare say? Jesus, me look puff up. Here, guys.
Where's it been? Look at this water. So, guys, it was a good Sunday night. Don't put that in there.
I'm putting it in. So, guys, like I was saying, like, if you want to go to like a place that, bro, that gives you really good food, a lot of food too, not like a whole lot of food,
Good people.
and good people,
Nice.
I would definitely recommend Boston Pizza at Stonebridge. It's like not bad, especially if you're on a budget too. And also, guys, like, so I was like, I had this whole idea, right? Bro, my phone's about to fall. I know it. I can feel it. But you guys, I had this whole idea, right? That me and bro, the lighting in here is so terrible. But me and my sister, it's bad. Yeah, it's bad. Me and my sister would basically we would go to different restaurants, try it, and then tell you guys like what's good, what's not, stuff like that. Like have a series of it. So if you guys would like us to do that, give a thumbs up, because you know, just give a thumbs up, stuff like that. And we'll definitely do that for you guys. Like try different restaurants here in Saskatoon and let you guys know like what's good and what's not. On the way home, guys, there is yeah. We're probably going to Brown Social House next. It's like right here. I think I've been there before, but I've only been to like the bar area, not like to eat. It was good. It was pretty good. So guys, I am home at last. Whew. I'm tired. Like I'm pretty tired right now. So probably gonna just go to bed. Cause we have
how to party
yes,
and drink.
you're right. You're right. I'm going to bed because I have work at 9 tomorrow.
And I have work at 1.
So I need rest so I can be sharp and ready for work. Yeah, probably gonna suffer a bit from what I had tonight because I went outside of what I'm supposed to be eating. Not supposed to be eating all of stuff, but if you guys are like people who like eat healthy and stuff like that, right? And you live here in Saskatoon, let me know where to get like really good organic stuff. That's one. And two, like what restaurants y'all go to and like what you guys get on the menu that's like super healthy and good to eat, just let me know. That is it for this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend of course. And of course comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see me do. What in the world is this? Yeah, just let me know what other videos you guys like to see me do. I don't know why my face looks so greasy. I don't know, but yeah guys, just let me know and I'll try to see if I could give you guys some more great content. My life is pretty busy right now, but I'm trying my best, so stay with me. So like I mentioned before, I'm going to bed here, so it's guys, it's bedtime, and that's the end of the video. Love you guys. Peace. F out.